Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the use of index and match function based on the provided data, which includes remaining details as well. Now, we want to insert employee ID, and it will provide us remaining details. So, we use here formula equals to index formula. In the index, first we select what we required. We want name, so we select name column. Then we use match formula. In the match, we need to select lookup value. So we select employee ID cell as lookup. Then select employee ID column for lookup array. Now, we need to close the bracket. Now, test our formula. Now, we need to drag formula to right side. But if we close look to the details, we will find issue. In order to match exact details, we need to make data constant. So, we again use formula here. Now, we want name, so select name column, but don't make it constant. Now, we move to match formula. Select employee ID cell and make it constant by F4. Similarly, select employee ID column and again make it constant. We need to make employee ID and employee ID column constant to get exact match. Now, drag formula to right side. Now, we need to test our formula. You can use Format Painter for currency. Now, test our formula and match with data. Index and match formula is very helpful, similar to VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP formula in Excel.